Unique footage that once again shows the superiority of Western military technology over Russia's supposedly most modern weapons. Putin's best air defense system, the S-400, fires at least 6 anti-aircraft missiles into the sky after detecting nearby US-made MGM-140A Atacms Block 1 M39 missiles. But all missiles missed their targets. Seconds later, both the launchers and the central radar system of the S-400 are destroyed. Happened in Donetsk earlier this week. The end of a myth. Ukraine again attacked occupied Crimea. The damage inflicted will be available soon, I guess. Several arrivals can be seen. Five Russian soldiers made the wise choice and surrender in the Sumy region. Recent work by the 92nd Assault Brigade, taking out several pieces of heavy equipment, regular vehicles, and hideouts. Among their losses are a 120mm 2B-11 Sani mortar, 2 S-1 Zhovdika, 1 communicating tower, a BMP-97, Kamaz 43269, Gyatsint B howitzer, and a fuel tank. As former commander of the 58th Army, Major General Popov was led to his court hearing in Moscow, with guards noticeably keeping their distance. He says, "Shoye, another one?" His call sign is Spartak, and he calls his soldiers his gladiators. Putin is terrified of a coup.
Слушай, ну это очень быстро было.
But on the other hand, a war criminal arrested as part of a criminal case of fraud on a large scale, former commander of the 58th Army Ivan Popov is already in court. The system is eating itself. Finally, the aftermath of the Ukrainian UAV strike on the Kushchevskaya airbase in Krasnodar Oblast, as seen in a HR Planet, image from May 23rd. One Su-27 is destroyed. One Su-34 is also heavily damaged. The Su-30 near the destroyed Su-27 might be damaged as well. In a war, you win some and you lose some. It seems that Ukraine lost a rare MR-18 mobile 3D surveillance radar along with 2 components. The radar was introduced in 2017 and not many were produced. It seems that Russia used a X-38 missile to destroy it. This loss is also the first one of its type. The Shark UAV corrects an M142 HIMARS strike against the Russian one, L-219 Zoopark counter-battery radar in Donetsk region. Footage of SBU drone Sea-Baby equipped with an MLRS system. Head of the SBU, Malyuk, confirmed this modified version capable of launching rockets. More good news. Norway has further restricted entrance of Russian citizens into its country. Restrictions will come into effect on May 29th and will apply to all those arriving in Norway for tourist purposes and other non-essential travel. Only a few exceptions remain. The ADAR Battalion is thanking Warthog Defense community for the contribution with life-saving medical equipments such as CAT-7 tourniquets.
Вітаю, хочу висловити подяку Ukraine Aid Books за допомогу в тактичній медицині і за надану тактичну медицину. І також хочу подякувати YouTube каналу Warthog також за підтримку і тактичну медицину. Слава Україні!
Героям слава!
Also, Ukraine ADOPS is supplying multi-frequency jammers which Ukrainian units can apply in their trenches or vehicles to protect themselves against incoming FPV drones, Mavic drones or Autel drones, saving lives. In the video, you see how one of the paratrooper units applied the jammer to their vehicle, enabling them to move more safely along the front line by connecting the jammer to outside antennas. Every support to the Clear Skies fundraiser will help to save the lives of Ukrainian defenders. The link is in the description.
Ну це просто 5 антенн. Отак все завели. Все працює. Будемо їхати пробувати.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.